With impulsivity, it's a decision that is sort of predicated on a sort of instantaneousness. That's impulsivity. Distractibility is self-explanatory. It is the inability to stay focused. And you have disinhibition. Disinhibition is...
all these fields are within a very small context, you know. Music is physics. Right. Investments is economics. Once you're dealing with investment, you're dealing with economics, you're dealing with physics.
It's part of the whole.
Right, and then you have panentheism, which adds a second layer by postulating that an external divine intervention interpenetrates the universe, simultaneously existing outside space and time.
In argument, and he made the example of political debate. And he said, now originally, classically, debate was about synthesis, a synthesis of ideas. And so that if you have an idea and...
where I explore every facet of ambiguity in semantics, primarily.
Right, I mean, down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.